Hello everyone, so welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add related posts to your blogger's blogspot website. As you found here, it say nothing is appearing because we didn't add any related post yet. Related post it means it is look like the similar types or the same types of the topics that we are talking about. So related post is a kind of post that is the same of your label. So before you can post that, you make sure that you have to put the labels on your posting. For example, just like this. Now we're gonna create a new post, and I will show you what is the label is. And here is the title here, and here is the post content here. But this one on the top right hand side, you will see the kinds of your labels. So you need to add all kinds of, you need to put the labels on it. For example, I'm going to use click on that, and you will see all kinds of the labels name. For example, you want to this article go to these labels, and then post that, and then confirm. Now when you see it on the blogger's post, you will see the same of labels. For example, when you click on this, and the type of the other labels is wheels appearing like this. So this is the way that it's showing the label of your posting. So it's depending on the labels. For example, you choose your post to labels 1, label 2, label 3, or up to you. But when someone is viewing your one post, and they will see the same label is appearing below, at the bottom or below posting. So this is the meaning of relate post. So you need to create label. And now we're gonna start to create a relating post. I have two code here. That one is a normal code. It's only one code, and the other with the CSS styles. So you can choose one among of that. Now the first I'm gonna show you how to add my first code here. So you need to select all my code. You can download it in the link in the description below, and press Ctrl C to copy that. And now go to Sim here and click on Edit HTML. And now you need to find the closing text. Make sure that you have put it between the head text. So press any on inside this code and press Ctrl F to find the head text, the closing head text. So now we're gonna find tie that. Okay, and now hit enter. And here is the head text. So you can see everything just from place to this place is, we call it one code, because we found it the closing text and the starting text. So you can put anywhere, any inside the head text. So now I'm gonna use put this place. You can also put everywhere, but make sure that you are put that code inside this head text, or we can say just above this text or below the head text. So you can put it everywhere, but make sure that you don't put it just inside from other code like this, because from this place, from this word style to the closing style is, we call it one code. So make sure that you are not putting your code inside any part of the code like this. So now we're gonna put it everywhere just like this, just outside this code here. Now pass that code by pressing Ctrl V and then click on save. Okay, now we have already updated. Now we're gonna refresh the page altogether to see what is appearing right now. And here is the way that we call it the relate post, and they have already previews. And make sure that if you want to see the numbers of the previews, you can change it inside the code also. And here is the words max result here, so you can change the number of that result because we have only 5 appearing inside this. So if you want to show it to the 6 to be fit on your release post, you need to edit it with the notes page. Now word page, sorry, I'm gonna choose word page because it is very short and easy to find. Now pass the code here and find the code that called word post. And okay, so now we're gonna find the word post. It look like this place here. So you can change it to 6 if you want, because in a blogger is only 5, so it's not very fit. So we have missing one place just like this. And then now press Ctrl A and press Ctrl C to copy that and re-edit that the last code that we have just put only shy. So do you remember the code's name that it's called here relate post? Here is the starting point of relate post, and here is the end point of relate post. So now we're gonna press Ctrl V to pass that. And now the value have been already changed to the number 6. And now click on save. Okay, and now we're gonna refresh this page and find what is something look like. And now we have already found the number 6 of posting relate post here. And if you want to see to make something that is more smaller, you can even change its size also. And you can even change it to the middle point between this place to this place. You can change it by using the center tag. So this is the method 1 that I'm going to show you. And I will go back to the code again and delete all of this code back, and we test it with the other one. So now go ahead and scroll and hit delete and then click save. The second method is you need 2 more steps. You will see this code just above the head tag. It means inside the head tag also. So you need to select all of this code here just like that and press Ctrl C to copy that. And then you need to find the text that called closing text by press Ctrl F to find, and this mark, and here is the closing text. And now you can add everywhere inside if you see something that really good. Okay, and remember that the code is starting with the text CSS. And the step 2 is you need to find with be include post. Just make sure that you copy uh, inside the bracket here and bracket. So the code is look like this from this place to this place. And press Ctrl C to find it inside your code. Press Ctrl F and find and hit enter. And here is the code. So thing that we're gonna do, you need to add one more code just above it that is called be include, just like this. It looks like a very long, but it's good for you. And inside this code you will see the place that you can change the numbers of the posting. For example, relates post is 4, so it will show when you only 4, and the relate style is also 4. So now I'm gonna pass this code just inside this one, inside this place. Press Ctrl V to pass. Okay, and now we're going to find the last code that we have just add a few moments ago. So we're going to find the last code that we just add it a few moments ago, and to edit the numbers of posting inside that. And now I'm not gonna find that. I just gonna click on save here. Okay, now it look like the be include is have body's problem. So now we're gonna press Ctrl Z to undo. And you need, if you see something like this, you need to add in front or before the bees include closing tag, just like this, and then press Ctrl V to pass, and then click save again. And now the code is already fixed. And now we're gonna refresh that, and we're gonna see relate post is looking like this. It is 4. So I hope you guys understand about it, but there are 2 ways that we can add things, a lot of code that to make you look very professional. It's something like this because it is the same label of this title posting here. It's depending on your label to showing this. For every posting you need to add label, or you can say add type, add kind of your post. What is your post talking about? Or we can say what kind of that articles. So make sure that you have create your label to the same kinds from each post. So it will when you start posting, you can select the label to the same of that posting style, so it can be showing like this. If you are not choosing any labels, it will not showing this relate post. So I have only 2 codes now for you, and you can choose one among of them. So you can choose one, guys. If you like it, please leave me a comment, or if you have any question, just leave me a comment or supporting me to buy a coffee. So thank you for watching.